Hi, I'm Penny from Smart Financial. Let's learn about swimming pool insurance requirements for homeowners. A standard home insurance policy should cover pool-related injuries and damage to the pool itself. As a result, you won't need to purchase extra coverage for your swimming pool, although some insurance companies may turn you down if you own a pool. Your personal liability coverage should pay for someone's medical bills if they get injured in your pool. It can also cover legal expenses if you are sued after someone drowns in your pool. To mitigate risk, your insurer will likely require you to follow safety measures like building a fence around your pool. Pools are considered attractive nuisances because they can attract children to your property and potentially cause them harm. Most states allow you to be held liable for a trespassing child who is injured by an attractive nuisance on your property. So it's important to maintain adequate liability coverage if you own a pool. Your insurance company should also pay for repairs if your pool is damaged by a peril covered by your policy. Depending on your insurance provider, pool damage may be covered by your dwelling, other structures, or personal property coverage. However, keep in mind that homeowners' policies often exclude coverage for pool damage caused by wear and tear, floods, earthquakes, and frozen pool water. Smart Financial can help you find the right coverage for your pool. Click the link in the description box for a free homeowner's insurance quote.